Did you know on average a car is made up of more than 30,000 parts? This makes it one of the most complex assembly of components. By saying so, this means that one of these parts is most likely to fail at some point. Hello guys, I'm Tiger G and I'm really excited to introduce and welcome you to my brand new YouTube channel, which is Tiger G Virtual Garage. As a mechanic, I've always had passion for all things automotive, and I can't wait to share that passion with each one of you. On this channel, I'll be diving deep into the world of automotive components, exploring everything from engines to transmission, brakes to suspension, and everything in between. So whether you're a car enthusiast, wale wa kupenda magari like myself, a car veteran, or just getting started into the world of automotive, there is something for everyone in this channel, guys. Through detailed explanations, hands-on demonstration, and maybe a few experiments that I'll be handling, I'll be tackling automotive parts like never before. So guys, if you are ready to take your automotive knowledge to the next level, hit that subscribe button, share my videos, and please don't forget to comment. I'll be going through the comment section, and join me on this exciting journey of automotive parts. And I promise you we will grow together in this world of automotive. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video at Tiger G Virtual Garage. Bye bye.